They told you slowing down was normal, thought low energy, poor sleep, and fading performance were just part of aging. But what if they were wrong? The truth. You don't need medication, expensive supplements, or risky procedures to feel alive. Again, there are 3 everyday fruits, simple, affordable, and backed by science that can ignite your energy, sharpen your focus, and restore your performance like never before. And here's the kicker. They work in as little as 7 days, without side effects, without gimmicks. If you're a man over 60, what you're about to discover might just flip the switch on everything you thought was gone for good. Ready to reclaim your circulation, power, up your testosterone booster, and reactivate your cellular energy? Let's get into the vitality trio that's been hiding in plain sight. You know what's wild? Most men over 60 are walking past one of the most powerful health allies in the produce aisle, and they don't even know it. Pomegranate, that ruby red fruit, isn't just tasty, it's a circulation supercharger. It's packed with punicalagins, powerful antioxidants that fuel your body's nitric oxide production. And nitric oxide. That's the key to relaxing blood vessels, improving flow, and supporting everything from heart function to sexual performance. When blood flows better, life flows better in a clinical study. Men who drank 180 milliliters of pomegranate juice every morning experienced significant improvements in erectile strength and duration in just 2 weeks. No medications, no gimmicks, just real fruit. Take Bill, 69. After adding pomegranate to his daily routine, he reported feeling more confident, walking taller, and reconnecting with his wife in ways he hadn't in years. The transformation wasn't just physical, it was emotional too. But here's the kicker. Pomegranate isn't just a circulation supercharger. It's also a natural testosterone booster. Increased nitric oxide levels send a signal to the body that it's time to rebalance hormones and boost performance at the cellular level. It jumpstarts cellular energy, supports mood, and gets the male engine running again. No side effects, no risks. And the best part? It's just the first piece of a powerful vitality trio. Sometimes the strongest builders make the least noise, and avocado is a perfect example. This creamy green fruit is loaded with healthy fats, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B6, the very nutrients your body needs to balance hormones and kickstart testosterone booster activity. It's not flashy, but it works deep. By reducing cortisol, the stress hormone that steals your energy, avocado helps restore the calm and power most men over 60 didn't even realize they'd lost. Real men are seeing real results. Just half an avocado a day consistently, and reports start flooding in: better sleep, more stable moods, and that spark returning. It's not about becoming someone new. It's about reconnecting with the fire that was already inside. Avocado feeds your system from the inside out, reigniting cellular energy, bringing back balance, and working like an undercover agent in the vitality trio. And it's easy to fit into daily life. Mash it on whole grain toast with a drizzle of olive oil. Slice it over eggs, or blend it into a morning smoothie with banana and pomegranate juice. See where this is going? That's where the synergy kicks in. With steady use, your body responds. More strength, better focus, and that quiet confidence that speaks louder than words. Let's talk about fuel. Not the kind that runs your car, but the kind that keeps your body moving smoothly. Bananas are nature's portable powerhouse. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, the dream combo for stabilizing blood pressure, improving circulation, and supporting serotonin production. And when serotonin is steady, so is your mood, your focus, and your energy. It's like flipping the switch back on for your cellular energy. Thomas, 73, started his mornings with a banana, spoonful of peanut butter, and a glass of water. Simple, right? But he said something shifted. No more energy crashes mid-morning. His mind stayed sharp. His body didn't feel as sluggish. It's the kind of change that sneaks up on you slow and steady, but suddenly, you're keeping up with your day like you're 20 years younger. That's not hype. That's what happens when you treat food like fuel. And here's the secret. Bananas don't work in isolation. So when combined with the Vitality Trio, Pomegranate, and Avocado, they help maintain steady blood sugar, fight off fatigue, and enhance testosterone booster functions. The potassium and magnesium relax your vessels while B6 keeps hormones and mood in sync. It's not just a fruit, it's your morning upgrade, and we're not even done yet. Here's where the magic truly happens. When pomegranate, avocado, and banana come together, they create a metabolic chain reaction that works on 3 levels: vascular, hormonal, and energetic. Think of it like a well-coordinated orchestra. The pomegranate opens the vessels, the avocado stabilizes your hormones, okay, and the banana fuels the system with steady cellular energy. This is more than breakfast, okay? It's a strategic morning ritual, a vitality trio working behind the scenes. It's simple yet powerful. Start your day with 180 milliliters of pomegranate juice, half an avocado, and 1 ripe banana. Blend them, plate them, eat them however you like. What matters is the consistency. This combo hits every major system: improved blood flow, enhanced testosterone, stabilized blood sugar, and even better mood. Each piece amplifies the other, creating a natural testosterone booster effect without relying on supplements or medications. And don't worry, this isn't a health guru's fantasy. This kind of synergy has been observed in nutrition studies and biohacking communities. Men over 60 who've tried it report sharper mornings, more stamina, and yes, better performance in every sense. When you give your body the right tools, nitric oxide, balanced fats, essential minerals, you stop just surviving ... and start thriving. And we still haven't touched the science behind all this. Behind every powerful transformation, there's real science, and this Vitality Trio is no exception. Pomegranate contains punicic acid and alpha-galactose, potent antioxidants that directly enhance nitric oxide bioavailability. That means your blood vessels stay flexible and open, improving circulation naturally. Meanwhile, avocado's monounsaturated fats and vitamin B6 act as raw material for testosterone production, while also calming excess cortisol, a win-win for your hormonal health. Then we have banana, the quiet stabilizer. Its high levels of potassium and magnesium help regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. But the real secret lies in its B6 content, which supports neurotransmitter activity, key to maintaining steady energy, good mood, and emotional resilience. Together, these fruits aren't just healthy snacks, they're a strategic combination to support your cellular energy and long-term performance. What's beautiful about this? Everything here is backed by controlled studies, no fads, no hype. Nutrient synergy is real. It's how your body evolved to function, not through isolated pills, but through whole foods that work together. When you build your day around foods that naturally support nitric oxide, hormone production, and emotional balance, if you're not chasing health, you're reclaiming it. And the best part? You can start feeling changes in just days. Knowledge without action is just wasted potential. So here's how you make this Vitality Trio work for you. Start with a 7 to 14-day experiment. Every morning before coffee or breakfast, take 180 milliliters of pomegranate juice, half an avocado, and 1 banana. This isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Think of it like a daily dose of natural testosterone booster fuel. Track how you feel, energy, focus, and yes, intimacy. Want to dial it up a notch? Add a light protein to the mix. A boiled egg, a spoon of Greek yogurt, or a scoop of collagen in your smoothie. This supports muscle recovery and helps stabilize blood sugar even more. Some prefer eating the whole pomegranate instead of the juice. Great option. Chewing the fruit adds fiber and slows glucose spikes. The point is to listen to your body while sticking to the core routine. Keep a simple journal. Nothing fancy, just a few notes each day. How did you sleep? How was your mood? How's your energy? You'll start to notice patterns. Maybe fewer crashes during the day, better circulation, or a return of morning drive. That's the cellular energy coming back online. When you nourish your body with real food, it responds. And tomorrow, Look at how to boost all these effects even more. Timing matters more than most people think. If you want the full effect of this vitality trio, take it all together right at the start of your day. Why? Because your body is primed for absorption in the morning. Nutrients hit your system. Faster metabolism gets activated and nitric oxide levels spike more efficiently. It's like giving your cells their morning coffee, but better. This small habit triggers a powerful chain reaction in energy, mood, and performance. The secret isn't just what you take, it's what you do consistently. Creating a daily ritual is the real hack here. This isn't about being perfect every day. It's about showing up for yourself with real food that rebuilds you from the inside out. Over time, this habit helps reawaken dormant systems that modern stress, poor diet, and age had slowed down. This is where the testosterone booster effect becomes real, not just theoretical. And the coolest part? You don't need prescriptions, stimulants, or some miracle powder from overseas. You need discipline, a bit of prep time, and belief that your body still knows what to do, it just needs the right tools. It's a circulation supercharger, the cellular energy support, the hormonal harmony, all of that is possible with what's already in your kitchen. So, are you ready to activate? What's been waiting inside you? So, now you know. Not from some late-night ad or miracle product, but from real science, real food, and real results. 3 fruits. 1 simple morning habit. A massive shift in how you feel, move, and perform. The question is, what are you going to do with this? Will you keep doing what hasn't worked? Or take one small step toward the man you used to be, or better yet, the man you are meant to become? Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 3 will you try first. And hey, if this helped you in any way, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because we're just getting started and your best years are far from over.